Hello lovelies, and welcome back to another yoga video. Today we're going to be doing a total body yoga stretch to help increase your energy at the same time helping you feel relaxed. And we're going to start off this practice with downward facing dog, stretching our hands and stretching our legs, getting ready and setting our intentions for practice. Then slowly you're going to move into dolphin pose and back to downward facing dog. Vinyasa, downward facing dog. Walk your feet together and we're going to take halfway lift to low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Drop into dolphin pose and walk up a bit into downward facing dog. Three-legged dog, stretching your right leg towards the ceiling as you stretch your ankle and your shoulders even more. Dropping into a dolphin position and back to downward facing dog. We're going to take our left foot straight to the ceiling, stretching all the way up to the tip of our toes and dropping our forearm in dolphin stretch. We're going to go back to high plank, take it down to low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Remember to slow down your breathing in downward facing dog as you get ready to begin again by walking your feet to your hands and taking chair pose, squeezing your arms together, your abs together and stretching up in chair pose. Then we're going to go back to high plank, low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Take your right foot forward and we're going to take warrior one here, sitting into the hips and finding our balance. Go back to low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Now we're going to take our left foot forward, sit again in warrior one and stay there, finding your balance and stability. Back to high plank, low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Walk your hands to your feet this time and take chair pose for the second time. Sit into your hips and squeeze all over to high plank again, low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Now we're going to take our right foot forward, come into warrior two, separating the hands together and sitting into the hips even more. Now we're going to go back to reverse warrior by going back to high plank, low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Left foot forward now, sit in warrior two position, stretch out the hands, sit into it and now we're going to go to reverse warrior all the way, stretching those hands. Slowly come back to high plank, low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Now we're going to go to three-legged dog on the right, stretching your right leg straight into the ceiling and go into wild thing, releasing your left hand and stretching in wild thing. Coming back again, we're going to take side plank on the left hand side as you stretch the hand upwards. Now we're going to go to high plank, low plank, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Get ready to take three-legged dog on the left hand side. You're going to drop it into the other side and remove your left hand towards the ceiling, staying in wild thing and then coming back to side plank on your right hand side. Now guys, well done for starting and finishing. This class is just for increasing your energy and helping you find calmness and stillness. Hope you enjoyed this practice. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.